We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox Selective Sync to better manage your storage space. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Dropbox desktop application on your computer. Once the app is open, go to the System tray or menu bar where you see the Dropbox icon and click on it. This will open a small Dropbox window. In this window, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner, and from the drop-down menu, select Preferences. Now you're in the Preferences window. Click on the Sync tab. Here, you'll see an option called Selective Sync. Click on the Selective Sync button, and a list of all your folders in Dropbox will pop up. You can now choose which folders you want to keep synced to your computer, and which ones you want to store only in the cloud by checking or unchecking the boxes next to each folder. This is especially useful for freeing up space on your hard drive by keeping only the essential files locally. Once you've made your selections, click Update. Dropbox will begin syncing the changes, and you'll only see the folders you've selected on your computer. Remember, any folders you deselect will still be accessible from the Dropbox website, so you're not losing any data, just optimizing your storage. This can be a game changer if you're working with limited disk space or if you only need certain files for specific projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.